Samsung Jetbot Mop, a standout choice for the best mid-range robot mop in 2024. This device may lack some of the advanced features found in its pricier counterparts, like app integration or voice command capabilities, yet it excels with straightforward operation and the unique ability to clean walls, making it a compelling option for many. Sporting a sleek, compact frame at 15.0 by 9.3 by 9.0 inches, the Jetbot Mop maneuvers effortlessly beneath furniture and into snug areas, proving to be an excellent fit for smaller living spaces, including apartments. Within its packaging, the Jetbot Mop includes 4 wiping pads, 2 crafted from green microfiber for unmatched wiping efficiency, and 2 made from gray mother yarn, perfect for tackling spills and trapping dust hidden in nooks. Samsung highlights the microfiber's exceptional cleaning prowess and the mother's yarn's effectiveness in more demanding scenarios. The device comes with a user-friendly remote control, presenting 8 distinct cleaning modes to cater to every need: auto, edge, focus, intensive, pattern, step, 50 minutes, and manual. The manual mode grants you direct control over the mop's movement via the remote's directional buttons. Setting up the Jetbot Mop is a breeze. Simply unbox, charge, and initiate cleaning with a press of the start button on the remote. Thanks to its dual water tanks and durable battery, this robot mop delivers up to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning without needing a water refill and can operate for as long as 100 minutes on a single charge, efficiently removing dust, dirt, and stains across your home. Good stuff.